Hey you guys, welcome back. I've got to start getting ready for winter, and that means winter tires. Let's go check it out. So I have winter tires for my Cayenne and for my Highlander. I don't put the winter tires on the 911 because it's a two-wheel drive, it's the rear-wheel drive, and I'm not going to drive it. But as I discovered last year, organizing, getting tires in and out of your car, taking it to a shop, making an appointment, it's fine. But if you can have the service delivered to your doorstep, you should absolutely do that. It really isn't too much more expensive. So I have a guy from treadconnection.com with me today, and he basically has a tire shop in a van and he brings it to your house. So let's go check it out. So I have Paul here from Tread Connection, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what they do.
So we are a mobile tire installation company. So we're just like your regular tire shop, we're just on wheels. So yeah, we come to your house, come to your office, wherever there's a parking spot, I'll get in there and change tires.
So you can bring brand new tires if we have a flat, or obviously you're swapping out summer and winter tires today. But what specifically kind of do you offer?
So I can get all the major brands. So your Michelin, BF Goodrich, Pirellis. I'll get all of those. A bunch of off-brand stuff. We have pretty much if they make the tire, I'll get my hands on it.
Okay.
There's fantastic. A will, there's a way.
And you service the whole Twin Cities?
Yep.
Okay, and so we're south of the Twin Cities, but you go all over presumably doing this.
Yeah, I've gone as far as south as Farmington. I've gone as far north as, I think Blaine is my most that I've gone north so far. But all over from Cologne to Stillwater. So yeah, we're all over the cities.
So I can start handing out your details to all my car friends that don't want to take their cars into the shop.
Absolutely. Yep.
Now, how about things like alignment or balancing? Is that something that you can do out of your van?
Balancing's all done out of the van. Yep. Alignments we don't do at all.
Okay.
So if you have your favorite alignment shop, they'll still be able to take care of that.
Got it. And you just you can do it on people's driveways or inside their garages, presumably.
Yep. Or in a parking lot at work.
Right, fantastic. So you could just have somebody come to you could go to their office.
Yep.
It's fantastic. And so what's your website?
It is treadconnection.com or treadconnectionminneapolis.com. Either way, you'll find it.
Great. Thanks, Paul.
Awesome. Thank you.
As you might expect, there are all sorts of brands of winter tires. I have the Michelin Latitude X Ice on my Highlander, and I have the Bridgestone Blizax on my Cayenne. For no particular reason, I just have tried different brands in the past couple of years. You can try threadconnection.com. You can go to Discount Tire. You can just go down to your local dealer. I'd suggest you do your research and find out which tires sort of best suit your car. But where you get the best price. Some places have deals on the installation, which is usually on top of the price of the tires. But do your research and see what works for you. So that's it for another episode of Auto Amateur. Just after about an hour's worth of work, you can see here that I have my summer tires ready to go up into my storage bins there. for the winter season. The two SUVs are now all sort of good to go. Coming up, hopefully before the end of the driving season, I'm trying really hard to get out in my friend's 993. If you saw my Tail of the Dragon video, you will have maybe seen a navy blue convertible 993. I'm going to try and get out in that this week, if not this weekend. And then we're edging ever so closer to the winter season. But hopefully more driving videos and a lot more content to come. Loads of great ideas from a lot of you. So thank you very much for all of the comments and suggestions. Please keep them coming, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.